Hey beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome to my channel, Living Beautifully. Again, welcome or welcome back. So today I thought I would take a quick moment to come out and talk about what I bought for myself. So the other day was my birthday. Thank you. Yes, another year around the sun completed and ready for this new year. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better than this one. But anyway, so to treat myself, my birthday is the same week as Cardi B. And yeah, hashtag Team Libra. So she put out her Reeboks this year. And I said, just to support my fellow Libra, I said I could use a pair of shoes because my old favorite pair, and I'm so embarrassed to show this, but what difference does it make? My old favorite pair of shoes have officially seen their day. As you can see, both pairs, and got my big toe saying hola to everybody. See? So, and you can see they're pretty much done. So I figured, why not? It's your birthday too. Why not treat yourself and go ahead and get the new Cardi B's by Reebok? So I did. And here's the box right here. It just came the other day in the mail. Reebok. Side is up. I guess this side is up. Alright, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a quick unboxing. So here we go. Let's do an unboxing because I can't wait to see my new shoes because obviously I need it. So. Let's see what's in the box. It's about to get dark, but that's them. Really? Can you get out? Hello? Little girl. Look. Alright. Yeah, so it's almost dark, and these are the shoes. You can see through them. I don't really know yet. I don't know if I like them. They're going to take some getting used to, I must say. So, what are your thoughts about it? Do you think you like them? Do they look too big? What? Like I said, they're very interesting. Hello, trying to record a video here. Thank you. Alright, so they do look very interesting. They're very different from me. I guess I have to give them a couple of days and maybe wear them out and see if I like them or not. Not really sure. I don't know. They remind me of boots. And they remind me of shoes. Like this part reminds me of rain boots. Like I can go stepping in the mud or something. And then that part's a shoe and then it's shiny. I don't know. Like I said, part of me wants to say they're cute. Part of me is just like, what? Should I be going to Mars or something in them? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you getting some? Do you know anybody who has some? How do you feel about the Cardi B's? Do you have any feelings about them? I don't know. I'll decide in a few days. That's the Libra in me. Alright, no. Thank you for watching my channel, Living Beautifully. Please remember to click the like button and the subscribe button for more how-tos and reviews. Take care, everyone. Bye.